Hi guys, so today it's Monday and ang itinerary namin today ay to experience the local vibes. Yes, tama mali. The objectives are to buy some breakfast and then mag-iwan ng gamit sa papadalas kasi malapit lang yung post office dito. And then look naman yung mga
sa isla.
suot namin guys, nakapambahay lang.
#localite.
Hashtag experience the local vibes. Objective number 1 is to go to the post office. Kasi yung post office guys is nasa highway pa. Then kami parang nasa kaloob-looban pa kami ng ano. So this is the local vibes of Thailand.
มองไกลไปสุดลูกหูลูกตาที่ปลายขอบฟ้ามีดวงดาวรออยู่ แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใด หัวใจฉันไม่เคยย่อท้อต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืด
So kakatapos lang na ni Globy mag-iwan ng parcel niya, ng box niya guys. So now, bibili na kami ng pang-breakfast ng aming mga Disney princesses.
Daan muna tayo ng Starbucks. I'll check the...
And yung breakfast na rin
Siguro
namin.
pag 180 plus baht, patulan
G.
ko yan.
G na yan. Baka mahirap mag-order.
Ba't mahirap? Ani ka lang.
Siyempre yung customizations, diba? So yung usual order ko sa Pinas costs around 265 pesos or 235 pesos. But here, it is almost 300 plus, diba?
Let's
No,
check.
300, because it is 195 baht. 362. Thank you so much. Hapon kat. So here's our order. We got the goods. Grabe, nauna pa pero wala pa may pang-breakfast guys. Wala pa kami pang-breakfast. So bibili pa kami ng pang-breakfast namin doon sa palengke nila. So see you there kapamilya. We got the goods. Pabalik na po kami sa hostel. Kakapagod maglakad pero it's always fun to experience the local way. So at least diba? Hi guys, a little bit of context. Pumunta kami from Ri to Platinum and then nagtitingin-tingin sila ng mga pinamili nila. Actually wala kaming nabili sa Platinum kasi Platinum pala kasi kahapon nag-Platinum na kami and then si Krisha yung may madaming nabili. Nakabili siya ng mga pantulog niya. Sawati ka. Pwede ka mga hatag sa imong tempura.
Hindi ko mga yun. Hindi ko mga tagday.
Dalok siya yung tempura.
Giver. Pero mga tagko ka na mariwalo. Maunong ko.
Si Globy mag yun na pa mariwana ko niya rin na.
Bitaw. You only live once, so why
Look.
not try? It's a medication.
Medicate jud siya.
Hi guys. So you say something.
So hi guys, this is the highlight of our trip for today. The highlight of the itinerary is to try Wingstop here at Bangkok. Bangkok. Well, the Wingstop is located at the MBK Mall here in Bangkok, across the CM Discovery Mall. And yes, since wala ganito sa Pilipinas, we will try this because this is really part of our itinerary. So, ano nga yung ito-try natin ngayon?
Guys, disclaimer. Yung vlogger nyo, medyo tayo dyan. May chicken allergy. So, let's see. It's for us to know and for you to find out.
But I will still eat kasi walang ganito sa Pilipinas. Ano nga yung ito-try natin?
One of it is yung voodoo fries. Voodoo fries. So always
Voodoo fries. So guys, iba-iba kami ng flavors. So merong ranch, barbecue, sweet and spicy, and gaya ng sinabi ni Mariel kanina, mag-iisa-isa kami ng flavor guys para matry namin lahat. And alam nyo ba, 4 PM kami nag-start today. And alam nyo ba ilang steps nang nakuha namin? The past few days, 8 kami umaalis sa aming hotel. But kanina, 4 or 3-ish. Guys, nakapag 5,600 steps na kami agad. And ano pa lang, 6 p.m. pa lang. Grabe.
Nakahaba ng araw nila dito. 6 na good. May
Mag-order na sila and see you later. Alam nyo ba guys, ang pinaka-excited dito sa amin ngayon,
si Krisha. Ayan ang ranch. Curry, hot honey rub.
Ayan na, hot honey.
Curry smoked barbecue, then
garlic parmesan. Are you excited to eat, guys? Let's try. I'm gonna try the hickory smoker barbecue. Guys, ganito lang kalit, guys.
Magkano lahat?
And then I'm gonna dip it in the ranch.
Ay, okay na.
Okay lang.
Mami mag-double dip. Okay na mag-double dip, guys.
I'm eating the hot honey rub. Di siya masarap. Compared mo sa hickory smoked barbecue, mas masarap. This is my last chicken, you guys. Garlic parmesan na may ranch. If I have to rate them, first place, hickory smoker barbecue. Second place, garlic parmesan. Third place, yung honey rub. Voodoo fries daw. I don't know. Experience 8 out of 10. Hi guys, so kakauwi lang namin from a lot of places actually. So today we had a chill day, no. Wala kaming clear itinerary today. The supposed to be itinerary today, nangyari na siya kahapon. And may mga na-skip kami pero meron din kaming mga napuntahan. So first, kanina 3 p.m. nakalabas na kami ng aming hotel. Dumiretso kami sa Pratunam. Naghanap-hanap ng mga additional pasalubong and suot si Krisha and Mariel, no. After nag-Pratunam guys, nag-walk kami papuntang Eve and Boy. May nabili din sila. After nag-Eve and Boy, di pa kami nakontento. Nag-tofu skincare kami kasi may binili si Mariel doon. And then, dito na ako merong nabili guys. Because lately, I've been into skincare. I mean, face mask. So, I bought this soothing mask, aloe vera and tomato. This has 10 sheets and this cost me 100 baht. In short, 10 baht each lang siya guys. And this is a Korean face mask. 3D mask daw siya. So, and then dumaan din pala kami ng 100 baht shop. Sa 100 baht shop, may nabili akong Green 7 brand na Sleep Balm Lavender. Sabi ni Globy, mas masarap daw yung tulog pag may ganito. Amoy lavender din naman talaga siya and it is a moisturizing herb daw. So, to, isa lang binili ko kasi this is worth 79 pesos. So, yun lang naman yung nangyari today. No clear itinerary, but bukas, may itinerary kami bukas and may booking kami sa Klook. So, for sure, maaga kami bukas. And then, it is a whole day event since tomorrow is our unofficial last day, no? Last day dito sa Bangkok. And, wala lang. Siguro, medyo nakakasad lang. But, it is what it is. So, see you tomorrow. Over sa edit. Bye.
ลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ตระหง่านไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอ
Hi guys, so today we have an itinerary kasi pupunta kami sa floating market and then dun sa train station na kung saan may mga coffee shops and sa side. So yun yung itinerary namin and then we are so early today because 2 hours away siya from Bangkok. So we are kinda late na guys kasi it's already 7:48. Kailangan nasa pick up point kami by on or before 8:30. Tapos we just need to get some breakfast sa 7-Eleven dito. Kasi kung hindi kami kakain, 2 hours pa yung biyahe guys. So mahihirapan kami. Here is the view pag morning dito. Dito na 7-Eleven. Sa quick 7-Eleven run lang kami guys. And then I got siopaw and then a sandwich and then a 1 water because kailangan lang easy to eat and quick lang talaga siya guys. Kasi nga malilate kami. 8 a.m. na. And then dapat andun na kami before 8:30. Sana di kami malate. Medyo malayo pa naman. Then holiday today, so sana hindi traffic. See you later. Hi guys, just an update. We made it. Upon arrival here sa Hagtay, kasi yun yung meeting place, kailangan nilang makita yung QR code ng booking mo or like booking reference number. Upon arrival, kailangan pumunta dyan guys, and then they need to confirm your booking. And now, andito na kami and we made it. So, sila. Actually, 8:30 na, pero may 15 minutes na grace period para sa mga late. So, yeah. I'm gonna update you if andun na kami, but they said na it is a 2-hour bus ride siya from Bangkok. So, see you na lang ma'am. Hi guys! We are now here at the Buffalo Cafe, you guys.
ไม่มีเธอความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้าต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครองแม้หนทาง
First stop doon na mo guys, Buffalo. Yung ginapaglaban nilang Buffalo Albino.
Kadagan, ala. Nagnisik-nisik ang animal, oh.
Ay, ka-cute ng baby.
So cute, Muriel, uy.
Namay yung ana ang taon sa
nagagulong lang
Jinsan.
siya.
Muna mong get to dre guys, ang pink buffalo. So, mauuna na kaming babalik sa bus guys kasi nga picture lang naman nandito. Tapos din naman kami nag-coffee. So, balik na lang sa bus, di ba? Okay mo shout talaga sila.
11:50, come back here. 11:50, come back here. Sa Vietnam.
Murag?
Sa Vietnam.
ได้ทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอ หลายครั้งที่ล้มหลายครั้งที่พลาดน้ำตานองหน้าไม่ท้อแท้เพราะเธอคือแสงสว่างคือแรงใจให้กัน
Hello, train coming! Can you stand behind the red line, please? Left and right, inside left right!
ต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมนลมแรงซัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ปัญญาไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้าต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครองแม้หนทางจะโหดร้ายทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไป
Ano ni siya? Experience.
จะเดินไปไม่หยุดยั้งแม้ทุกทนเพียงใดขอเพียงปลายทางมีเธอรออยู่
So, inaantay na namin yung bus guys. Yun lang naman ang doon, mga souvenirs and then yung train yung highlight. So, di na namin aantayin yung train. Dito na kami mag-aantay sa meet-up point namin. But at this moment, nilibre kami ni Globy ng
Shut up.
Maldita.
ng donut. Yippee!
Origin, tagpila, uy.
Ulo, murag Jacob's vibe siya. Jacob's vibe siya kasi parang
Ay, oo.
magdala tayo sa ano? Magdala tayo sa hotel.
Oh,
O ba yun ang breakfast natin
what the
tomorrow?
freak?
Yeah.
Dami.
Magdala ang sarap. 20 pesos lang, di ba?
No, it's dead.
ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้าต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครองแม้หนทางจะโหดร้ายทุกทนเพียงใดฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอเมื่อถึงวันนั้นวันที่เราได้พบกันจะกอดเธอไว้ไม่มีวันปล่อยมือความรักที่ปลายขอบฟ้าคุ้มค่ากับทุกหยาดเหงื่อและน้ำตา คุ้มค่าที่ได้ครอบครองหัวใจเธอ
Canada. Parang buko ice cream. Palay ha? Oh. Love them,
Coconut ice cream o 60 baht.
60 na.
60.
Tunga na to.
Tunga.
Tunga.
Sige.
For the experience.
Tapos mag-mango sticky rice ha.
100 lang. Dali na, jud ka. Ikaw, okay na nung budget mo na.
Mo gani. 2 cup. 2. And then 1. Kapon cup. Kapon cup. Hindi patingin.
Get the goods.
First time,
First
diba?
time.
มองไกลไปสุดลูกหูลูกตาที่ปลายขอบฟ้ามีดวงดาวรออยู่ แม้ทางไกลสักเพียงใด หัวใจฉันไม่เคยย่อท้อต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมน ลมแรงสัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ตระหง่าน ไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้า ต้องฟันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครอง แม้ความรักให้มันbanggaทุกทนเพียงใด ฝ่าฟันไปให้ถึงดวงใจเธอ หลายครั้งที่ล้มหลายครั้งที่พลาดน้ำตานองหน้าไม่ท้อแท้เพราะเธอคือแสงสว่างคือแรงใจให้ก้าวเดิน
Hi guys, dito namin napili ang kumain sa
Ani, how much na cup? No, everything. 400 na? Talay de.
very authentic siya guys, which I love. Sobrang galing ito guys. In order ko ito guys. Here, fried noodle with black soy sauce.
Oh, Marilag. อะไรวะ
จะไปให้ถึงปลายทางที่มีเธอรออยู่
How do you want it to be?
Sa both.
Yan na lang
Sa both?
spread the goodness of a Trinitarian. 3, o ganit. Responsible.
So now let's try the mango sticky rice. Mango sticky rice. First, the mango itself.
Tawagan ko pala sila.
Tamis siya, no?
Matamis talaga yung ano nila guys, yung mangga nila. Now let's try the mango and the sticky
Try
rice.
po nila yun.
And the sticky rice alone.
Naman dito sa gawas sa 7-Eleven, ay baligya tagahapon.
Parang suman. Now let's try both. It is an experience, but it's not life-changing na experience. But it's so good. I love. Especially the mango. The mango is so big and tasty, sweet, and do you agree?
Matamis siya.
Shy. Shy.
Ay, dapat...
O kasi po, hindi po ako nakatapos ng pag-aaral. Look! Mabash good ka rin. Sige na. Saan yung gusto yung kanta na ako?
Sorbet.
Sorry. 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 Oh, dude, let's get. Makuratan ni si Kuya. So if you care to find me, look to the western sky.
Nauna na kaming bumalik guys kasi sobrang init sa labas and then dito kasi sa bus, aircon. Tapos nag-okay kami dito. Ang smile! Gimingaw kay sing.
Cover speech.
Seryoso siya! Seryoso siya!
Dali, Tias.
Yun ang magkatawa mga ka, ma'am!
Una ba niya ang advance dinner cruise?
Advanced dinner cruise daw.
Kasi 2,000 baht po ni.
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. Siguro nga masyadong mabilis.
Shit, call me mother. Call me mother.
Siguro nga
Oh, landing.
Ayaw makinig. Ayaw hanggang dulo.
dagat.
Ay, gusto niya maging Pinay sa ano.
Pinay in Alaska.
Let's go!
Sa Bulaong ha.
Wala pa sa Bulaong.
I let you body decide!
Ano ba? Mura magdagsagaran.
Yes, no, let's go!
Hey, hey,
Let's go.
hey, 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 hey.
Let's go! 1, 2, 3, let's go!
I hop on the plane at LAX with a dream in my cardigan.
Cardi what?
So crazy, everybody seems so famous.
Seems what?
Turning and I'm butterflies fly away.
Like what?
Moving my head like yeah.
Like what?
Moving my head like yeah.
Like what?
Feeling like I
Bangkok.
wanna fly.
Bangkok.
I wanna.
Bangkok.
I wanna. I'm gonna be okay. Yeah. It's a party in the USA.
So I put my hands up, play my song, the butterfly fly.
In the USA.
Wala kami sa Bulaong, guys.
Nasa Bulaong.
Grabe. Pagod ako. Pagod ako.
Know if you wanna be my one and only. Oh, my life. And don't forget the flowers every anniversary. Cause you will be walking bottles on an apple pie. You need to know if you wanna be
My one and only.
oh my life. Maybe I'll be really trying to wrap my right around.
In front of her. Sing along with me. Sing along with me. You gotta know how to treat me like a lady, even when I'm acting crazy. Tell me everything's alright. Dear future husband, here's a few things you need to.
So as you can see, we got to experience their MRT and BTS going to Icon Siam since this is our last day here in Bangkok. If you noticed, we don't opt for train because it has the same range of fare compared to Bolt.
Welcome to Icon Siam.
Tour guide ka. Kapag ka... Barkilius lagi dahil siya.
Kapangit sa makanong suya. Arite, ang ginain mo. Yap. Balong dito. Kanina, maano man siya.
Ito kami ngayon because this is the last itinerary of this trip. Mag-dinner cruise here sa Meridian Cruise 2 and makikita siya sa Icon Siam Pier 1 daw. Doon kami kasi Pier 1. So ito pala yung Icon Siam. Isa siyang mall na kung saan parang makikita mo siya sa BGC kasi ang daming luxury brands. Like Hermes, Louis Vuitton, Gucci. Daming mga brands din na di ko kilala. Wow. It's already 5:51 pa lang naman and our dinner cruise is at 7:30. Kalma lang kami dito, picture. And then guys, look at that view. You can go there o sa rooftop and get to see the riverside of Icon Siam. I just wish na mag-boom ang tourism ng Philippines. Mas magandang train system specifically. Maganda yung train system nila dito. And also, daming Uber, ang daming taxi, madali mag-commute. And then, higit sa lahat, walang scammer. Kasi naniniwala sila sa karma, guys. Hi guys, dito na kami.
We're so dilim.
ต้องผ่านพายุฝนผ่านคืนวันที่มืดมนลมแรงซัดสายฝนรินอาบกายต้องฝ่าคลื่นลมผจญป่าเข้าสู่ปัญญาไม่ว่าทางจะไกลแค่ไหนขอเพียงได้มีเธอ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้าต้องฟันฝ่าถึง
Happy birthday, Nomi! Happy birthday, Nomi! Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
สวัสดีครับขอบคุณค่ะ
ฉันมีแรงสู้จะเดินไปไม่หยุดยั้งแม้ทุกทนเพียงใดขอเพียงปลายทางมีเธอรออยู่ ความรักอยู่ที่ปลายขอบฟ้าต้องฝันฝ่าถึงจะได้ครอบครองแม้หนทางจะโหดร้ายทุก
Happy birthday นะคะ พี่
At this point, it finally sinked in that this was our last day here in Bangkok. We talked about our future plans, including our future trips together. We also talked about our experiences, our own struggles, and of how we all face the same problem, adulting. The night ended with a happy and grateful heart. This will be one of the books for sure.
ใจเธอ
Hi guys, we are here at the DMK International Airport sa McDo nila guys, and we just ate our lunch. Kanina pa kami dito guys, 12, and then it's already 3 p.m. na-judge na kami ng staff dito kasi ang tagal-tagal namin dito. Dapat maximum 2 hours lang yung stay, pero walang may paki. Wala silang paki guys. I mean meron, pero yeah, kami na lang yung nag-adjust. Kami yung walang paki. Kasi nga 12 yung check-out ng room, and then 9 p.m. pa, 9:45 p.m. pa yung flight namin papuntang Davao. Dito muna kami nagtambay kasi yung teacher naming kasama gumagawa pa ng draft test, and then nag-download pa ako ng mga papanoorin ko mamaya sa flight. The good thing is, nakapag-check-in na kami, but wala pang counter for our check-in bags. And yun na lang yung inaantay namin, pwede na kami pumasok, and doon na kami mag-aantay. But before that, we plan to buy food pa muna sa 7-Eleven bago kami papasok, mag-check-in. Kasi nga, until 9 p.m. pa kami dito guys. Oh my God, ilang hours pa kami dito, so kailangan pa namin kumain ng marami. Basta, i-update ko kayo pag nakaland na kami sa Davao International Airport. So, hi guys. Andito pa rin kami sa DMK Airport, and dito kami sa waiting area nila. Wait, let me show you. So, sobrang laki ng waiting area nila guys. Actually, we don't know na may waiting area pala. Napadpad lang kami dito. It's because we are trying to get a VAT refund from the Bath and Body Works or Victoria's Secret na pinamili nila last time sa Siam Paragon, and inaantay na lang namin yung check-in counter namin kasi gusto na namin doon magpahinga sa loob, at least andun na kami. Pero maganda dito guys kasi sobrang laki ng waiting area nila, pwedeng matulog like isang row pwede kang humiga. Inaantay ko na lang sila Krisha and Mariel kasi pumunta sila ng 7-Eleven to buy food for now and for dinner mamaya. Also, nagpaiwan ako dito para bantayan yung mga gamit namin. So, makikita nyo na lang sila mamaya.
So let's have a vlog takeover muna. So currently we are here. We are still here sa airport. Time check. Anong time na po? It's 5:41 and headed na kami sa check-in. So, meron daw yung face card na na kailangan before kami makapunta sa aming boarding area, di ba? Boarding area ba ang term?
Before magpasa
Okay, before magpasa immigration. And also, kailangan naming pumunta talaga doon for our VAT refund. Kay hindi siya binigay dito sa sa outside. Maya-maya pa yung flight namin. Super early namin here sa airport, but it's fine. Kasi we uploaded ang dami kong nagawa. Lahat ng backlogs ko na naghihintay sa Pilipinas, natapos ko na siya. Ay, hindi natapos. Almost. So, yan lang. Actually, Even here lang sa airport, no, parang pwede namin makomplete yung 8,000 steps namin. Kasi sobrang layo ng, ng places. Like example, yung sa VAT refund information, andun sa dulo. Tapos, yung aming, checking area is nandun pa sa dulo din. Mag-start ang check-in is 6:15, right?
Yeah.
6:15. So, see you later guys once nakapasa kami sa immigration.
Ito yung sinasabing face card. Look into the camera na. Face card never decline. Face card never decline.
Super.
Face card lang labanan. Sorry. Check, kita nyo naman. Hi guys. Nakapas namin sa immigration. Nanami sa mga boarding gate. But 7 pa lang gina-cater na flight. Yung mga flight is 9. So, inaantay namin si Krisha guys. Kasi nag-VAT refund pa siya. Grabe ka chaotic guys. It's because akala namin yung babae kanina, pina-weigh sa kanya yung hand carry niya. Kaya parang may tinanggal siya ng mga gamit sa hand carry niya. Pero ang ending pala, di pala siya nag-avail ng extra baggage. So kami, as planning, kasi yung bag ko, over 7, yung bag niya, 3 lang talaga. Tapos kay Krisha, over 7 din kay Krisha, diba? So pag dinistribute namin guys, yung sapatos ko napunta sa bag niya, yung mga pinamili ni Gobi napunta sa mga bag ko, na hand care, na personal bag. So like, very stressful talaga siya. But now, it's okay.
Ayun na VAT refund.
So ngayon, ibabalik na lang namin yung mga gamit namin at papasok na kami sa gate namin. So bye for now. Guys, it turns out nagpa-panic ako ng walang dahilan kasi dito ako tumitingin sa relo ko guys, which is Philippine time, advance na 1 hour. Yung departure namin is, boarding time namin is 8:30. Tapos yung dito ko sa relo, 8. So meaning, di ba, nagpapanik ako. Nag-wonder ako, bakit di sila nagpapanik? Yun pala guys, 7 pa pala. Kasi delay ng 1 hour. So dahil nagpanik ako, na-stress ako, kumain ako. Dala ko kanina from 7-Eleven. Ay, wow. With us, I am eating stir-fried Wagyu beef with holy basil and dried chili with rice from 7-Eleven. So excited na kaming makauwi, guys. Hindi pala. Kasi in the next few days, realized kami, if nakikita nyo kami sa personal na tulala sa harap ng pader, okay lang kami niyan, guys. Nag-iisip lang ng bayarin. So ang tanong, magkano nagastos mo? Estimation.
20.
Tapos sasabi mo nung una 10. 18?
Sali na lang yung...
Ako 20 din. 20 din. Pero na-expect ko na talaga na 20 yung gagastasin. And guys, minsan lang kayo mag-travel abroad, don't tip it yourself.
Gaslight pa more.
Hi guys! So, as you can see, andito na ako sa room ko ngayon. Kakatapos ko lang maligo. So, to give you a little bit of context, pagkatapos namin kumain sa airport, pumunta na kaagad kami sa waiting area ng gate namin and then doon na nag-antay. Bale, at this point, pagod na kami guys kasi nga bored kami, wala kaming magawa. Mas di mo kasi mapapansin yung oras pag may ginagawa ka, diba? Napagod kami sa kakaantay. Imagine, from 12 noon, nag-antay kami sa airport hanggang mag 9:45 p.m. guys. Kasi yun yung flight namin, 9:45 p.m. And pagkatapos, nung nag-land kami from DMK Airport to Davao International Airport, nag-grab kami papuntang SM Ecoland Bus Terminal and we paid 107 pesos each. Pagkatapos, nag-bus ride kami from SM Ecoland, nakaalis ng 5 a.m., nakarating ng Jensan ng 8 a.m. So, mga 8:30, andito na ako sa bahay. And ang bus ride na yon ay nagkakahalaga ng 329 pesos. So, yun lang naman ang ginastos ko for that day. And the total will be, lalagay ko na lang sa screen,
Yes, so ang pinaka-inaantay ng lahat for the grand total that everybody is waiting for. How much did I spend for our almost 8-day stay in Thailand? So the grand total is... is... Tulalala. Anyway, it is what it is. Ang mahalaga, nag-enjoy ako kasama mga friends ko and sana ma-enjoy ko rin yung ibang bansa kasama naman yung family ko. Sayang lang talaga guys, di ko na-film yung nag-Hong Kong kami. Yun lang naman. Now let's proceed to my tips and realizations. So, I've been thinking a lot about our recent trip. And all the messages I've been getting from you guys is asking for advice. Well, honestly, traveling is amazing, but it can be a headache if you don't have the right mindset. So instead of a boring top 5 tips list, I wanted to give you some real talk, friend to friend, about how to actually enjoy your flight out of the country without the constant stress. First things first, booking everything ahead of time. And I mean everything, from flights, hotels, and even those Klook passes for attractions. I know some people think that waiting for a last-minute piece of fare or a walk-in deal is a way to go. But here's the reality. When you don't prepay, you're just eating into your actual pocket money. There's nothing worse than landing into a new city and realizing half of your shopping and food budget has to go to a transport fee or hotel deposit you forgot about. Pay for the future you now, so that when you land, your cash is strictly for the vibes and for the food. Next is the post-trip problem. Okay, this one is a bit controversial, but hear me out. Do not think of the bills now. Think of them later. I'm not saying go into a massive debt, but don't let the price of a nice dinner or a slightly more expensive Grab ride ruin your mood when you're actually there. You work hard for this trip. If you spend the whole time converting every baht or dollar into pesos in your head and stressing over the credit card statement, then you're not actually traveling. You're just worrying in a different time zone. Deal with the math when you get home. For now, just be present. Next up, your bed matters. Choose a quality stay. Look, we all love a good deal, but choose a hotel or a hostel that actually fits your standards. Don't book a 12-bed dorm just because it's only 500 pesos if you value your privacy and a clean bathroom. If you don't sleep well because the bed is hard or the place is very noisy, then your next day is ruined. Your accommodation is your home base. Make sure it's somewhere you actually look forward to coming back after walking 20,000 steps that day. Next is the Thailand reality check. I have to mention this because it really hit me. Thailand versus the Philippines. Technically, we're both developing countries in Southeast Asia. But guys, the gap is real. Seeing how efficient their public transport is, their trains, the ease of moving around, it really makes you realize that the Philippines is nowhere near Thailand yet in terms of tourism infrastructure. It's a bit of a bittersweet realization, but it's eye-opening to see what's possible for a neighbor country. It definitely changes how you see things back home. And finally, some heavy real talk. Traveling is and will always be a privilege here in the Philippines. I know some people would say travel is a human right, and in a perfect world, it should be. But between the cost, the struggle of getting leaves approved, and the dreaded bureau of immigration, let's be real. If you have the means to book a ticket and see the world, you are lucky. It's a privilege, so don't take it for granted. Take the photos, eat the weird food, and really soak it in, okay? Because not everyone gets the chance to do this. Because at the end of the day, traveling is about perspective. It's not just about the aesthetic IG post. It's about these realizations that hit you when you are far from home. Anyway, I hope this helps you prep for your next flight. If you've got thoughts on the privilege versus right debate, then comment them down below. I'd love to hear your take. Catch you in the next one. Bye-bye!
มองไกลไปสุดลูกหูลูกตาที่ปลายขอบฟ้ามีดวงดาวรออยู่